Hello, I am Sunil Guleria, and in this video I want to share with you that is how we can set environment variable in Windows environment and what is the importance of this environment variable. So, very first we have to learn that is how we can set the environment variable so that we can compile or interpret our Python program from anywhere, from any folder or from any directory. And if you want to learn in deep, that is what we mean by Python environment variable, and what is the importance of environment variable in Windows. So you can Google and you can find more about that is what is the importance of the Python environment variable. But here, to run suppose your Python programs from any directory and from any folder, we have to set the environment variable, because in the previous video I discussed with you and I shared with you that is how we can run the first Python program, but I had saved that into the same directory. So now I want that we want to run the Python program from any directory. So I want to save that in any directory. So for that, what you have to do, you have to open your Windows Explorer. You have to go for this PC, right click on this and go to the properties, and after this you have to click on advanced system settings. When you will go for advanced system settings, after this you have to go for that is environment variables. And in environment variables we have the two portion, one is known as user variables for HP and then system variables. So most probably and most of the times you have to go for that is the system variables. You have to select this path and then you have to click on, either you can click on this edit, and if you will click on this edit, so I had already suppose added this over here. Otherwise what you have to do, you have to click on this new. So click on this new, you will get this box, and then you have to type the path of that folder where your Python is installed. So you will say C colon, because I have installed that Python in Python 39 C drive and then Python 39. So you will write here the same way I have written earlier, that is Python 39, and press enter. And because I had already added over here, so this is, and then after this you have to click on OK, and then you have to click on OK. And if you want to install it for the other users, so you can say, you can set here also that is a Python, and then you can go for edit, and you will see I have added over here because that is for the users only. So you can click OK, and then you will go OK, and then you will say OK, close this. And now what would be the benefit of this? So now if suppose you want to write suppose your Python program, so I'll use suppose now this time I'm going to use that is the Notepad++, and I have written this program that is num1 is equal to 10, because now till now I haven't taught you that is what is the importance of variables, what do you mean by variables and how we can do it. So if you want to run this program, you can, otherwise you can just simple, you can print two messages over there. So what I am just keeping this, I have written this first.py, but now I have saved this. You can see I have saved it where you can see this on the screen, and you can see in the title bar that is C colon Guleria Python work first.py. I have saved this file in what, that is in C Guleria folder, and then Python work, and then there is first.py. Now I want to compile this file. So if I want to compile, I have written here something, you have to copy as it is, and then I am going to say I'll save it, and then I'll minimize. Now I have to run this, but I have to compile it. How I have to compile it? I'll go for CMD. You can see here that was CMD. You will click over here, you will go there, and then CD / you can say. Now if you want to go to your folder in which you have saved your file, so you can say that is CD, and then you will say space, and where you want to go, that is in that is CD Guleria, and this is my folder Guleria, and then in this we have that is the Python work folder. So you will pass again once this command CD, and then you will write here Python -work. This is actually the folder in which that first.py is existing. I'll say dir, and you can say here that is again we have suppose three files of .py, but I am going to use this file, that is first .py. So now what I have to write here, I'll use here Python. Now this is actually the interpreter, but you know that my interpreter is present in, that is C drive and then Python 39, but I am using this interpreter from here, that is only due to the environment variable, because I can use that interpreter from anywhere, because the path which I have set, it will search this interpreter into that path also. Python and then space, and then you have to type here, that is the first .py, and then you will press this enter, and you will see this is actually your file. Your output is this, that is the sum is 30, and this is what, that is how you can compile your Python file from anywhere, from any directory in your computers, or from the user directory also. Thanks for watching.